Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change password in Windows 11. So if you want to change your login password on your Windows 11 so that the password to enter your Windows will be changed from the default or from whatever you used before to access your Windows, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change password in Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the Start button, select Settings, then on the Settings page, locate and click on Accounts on the left side. Now, once you selected Accounts, hang on for the Accounts page to load. On the Accounts page, scroll down, come to Account Settings. Under Account Settings, locate and click on Sign In options. Then once you selected that, scroll down the page and click on Password, then to expand it. If you say Sign In with your account password, now come here and click on Change. Once you selected the change button, see that says type in your current password and click on the next button. Then here you'll be prompted to type in your password, confirm new password, and give your password a hint. So go ahead, type in your new password, confirm your new password, then give a hint to remember your password and click on the next button. Then it should say next time you sign in, use your new password. Go ahead and click on finish, then see changing password, and then you're good to go. So when next you want to sign into your Windows 11 computer, you just need to use the new password. So that is basically how to change password in Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.